Happy Friday!
Hey.
Happy Friday. This is a new space we wanted to show you. So you can see our office is directly across here. That's where you normally would come to get your spine strong. And we're right here in the corner. And we don't have an exact date, but we wanted to walk you through and show you some of the cool progress. So here we go. Babies and dogs.
There you go, Titus.
Up on the hips. Come on in. Ta-da! So here's our entry space right here where we're going to have our front desk built. And keep coming this way. This is where our kiddos are going to play. We got a nice big space this time. We're sad we're going to lose our pretty jungle wall that Dustin painted for us, but we'll do something cool.
Maybe he'll paint another one.
Maybe he will. Dr. Dan, tell us about this awesome space right here.
So this is the rehab area. This is going to be rubber flooring from here. Is where the tractions will be. We're going to add some new traction, the vibration plates, the wall traction, and we'll be able to do a lot more warm-up exercises. So get ready.
And rehab exercises that are really helping to change those curves in your spine. And if you tiptoe back here, pick up your feet. Ta-da! Back here, this is where the wobbling will be. And of course, we'll have some awesome information / YouTube videos up here on the TV. And these are the adjusting bays. So we've got one here, and then there's one there. This is where you get your power turned on, get your spine strong. And then let's go this way. Come on down the hall. This will be a consultation room right here where you learn about how to get your spine strong. Here's another consultation room. This might be our functional consultation room, where we go over, awesome lab work, hormone panels, things like that. And this is a bathroom. This is where you can relieve yourself. So important. Okay, let's see. This is a nice little turnaround area right here. This is an exam room. And then these rooms right there, that's going to be one of the massage rooms. And then that's going to be the doctor's office / nursery because Dr. Dan wants Titus to come to work every day. So that way he can take his naps and he won't be cranky, This is another exam room. Yay. Not much to look at, but you can imagine the awesomeness. This is another bathroom. This now will have 2 bathrooms, which is pretty awesome. Don't worry, we have a room dedicated just for x-rays. Gonna have some lead walls. This is massage room number 2. So guess what? We're going from 1 massage room to 2 massage rooms. Tell your friends they need a massage so we can fill up these rooms. Oh, that's a nice little closet right there. And hey guys, these people are working hard to make it happen. So we just wanted to share this with you. We want to share our excitement so that you can get excited about new things coming and more things to serve our community and bring more information. So say bye. Say bye, Titus. Bye. See, we're going to get to work. Bye. Thanks.